Good morning! Day 2!
Morning!
So for today, we're going to White River rafting and we're gonna sleep after. Wow, look at the sunrise. Good morning, Alexa. Ibalot. Hi. Ay, usa nga to nagkulat mapuno ang bathtub. Come out. There you go. So guys, just a fun fact, do not cut this so that you won't cry while slicing the onion. See? I didn't cry while slicing the onions. One, two, three, jump! So we're just killing the time. An hour to go before we go to the rafting. Yeah, everybody is like exploring the surrounding of Camp Kaikoura. Wow! Look at that!
7, 8, 9.
Ikaw? What's your rule?
Facebook kung tatay. 21.
We have to pay the bunker.
The bank. Ay, forward na tayo, kwarta. Hindi ka mag-exit. Wala naman ka! Open your card daw.
So that one is 11.
We
go to the river rafting. Ready? Time to reapply the sunblock. The main weapon of the day. Hi, Johnny. Ooh. I'll just put some sunblock, okay? Oh, wait. So since we are going to the river rafting, I bought this thing. There's holes in it for the lens and for the microphone because vlogging is like essential. If you don't have action camera, then use your brain and creativity.
Sunscreen. I've also got some warm clothes with us as well. So if you don't want to go like you are now, we can put some things like some jackets on. Now, my dear, are you going to wear any t-shirt or anything? You're not going to get sunburned? You got lots of sunscreen? What's happening here? Yeah, we don't want to...
Everybody's contact will be...
His last name.
Are you ready? Power Ranger Blue! Power Ranger! Power Ranger Yellow!
Ay, nanakay mo na.
Kaya natin to. Team, Red Team!
Red team.
Alright.
Alright everybody, so we're here. Team A and Team B. Oh, Team A, sorry.
Team A.
What do you feel? What's your strategy for today?
Try not to drown.
We have 2 people who can swim. Half. I'll get one. And Team B?
For us, just teamwork. We get the best swimmer. City.
This one, just floating. Floater. And we'll see, we'll find out who's gonna survive. Bye-bye. Bye. Ready?
Emma's a really good raft guide, so if you're in her boat, you're probably a little good. If you're in my boat, so if you kneel for me, kneel down, I can hold that, and I can pull them back into the boat. Okay? Do we have any questions? Good. Number one rule is to splash each other lots. Cool.
Alright.
Feels okay? You warm enough still?
Yeah, I'm warm enough.
We start getting started with some bouncing, so you go forward.
Ate Lois, mahirap kasi nasa left hand ako. If I'm there, I'll be...
Oh, you wanna exchange?
Let's exchange. Ayan na. You're still on the wrong side.
Sit on the wrong side! Sit on the wrong side! Go, Alex!
And forward, turtle game! Forward!
Cheese! So this was damaged during the earthquake. But look at the view, it's so nice.
Forward!
Is he alive or what? We're done. Wow. Can you see you? Oh, there. Oh my god. Do you know this, Yvette? Bikat. It's a Filipino snack. Piatos. Thank you, Te. We are hunting for some good restaurant. Hungry, Yvette? Very.
It's really hot rowing the boat.
Yvette, ice cream. Oh, this is our meal. Bon appetit.